Alright, moving right along. Let's see here. How about we have, let's name our function r. How's that? R of, we'll use some different letters this time. R of y. So we're going to have y plus 1 and e to the square root of y. Okay, so this looks like the product rule. We have two separate functions here, and so we're going to use product rule. But let's get this out of radical form up here and put this into exponential form, this piece right here. So that means that I'm going to rewrite this You're probably saying, why you just didn't write it the first time like that? Well, because you probably see it like this also. Okay, so we're going to use the product rule. So r prime of y. So I'm going to take the derivative of this y plus 1 first. So the derivative of y plus 1 is just 1. Right? The derivative of y is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, times e to the y raised to the half, boy, plus, and then I'm going to rewrite y plus 1 times, now I'm going to take the derivative of e raised to the y to the half. So that means I'm going to take the derivative of the exponent and bring it out front. So that means that, I'm going to do some side work over here. Y to the half. So we're asked to take the derivative of this. So that means that we're going to take the half out front and then subtract 1 from the exponents. That gives us a negative a half. Alright. So bringing the half out front times y to the negative a half, right, times, and then we're just rewriting this whole part here. E y to the half. Now let's try to clean this up a little bit. So we have r prime of y is equal to e, and I'm going to go ahead and put this back into radical form. How's that? Plus, I'm going to take this half and just bring it out front of everything here. We have y plus 1, and this is y raised to the negative a half, and we need to take that down into the denominator. Actually, you know what? I'm going to rewrite this one more time if I have time to do that. E and square root of y. But let me just go ahead and write this one more time. So r prime of y is equal to e square roots of y plus. Now, I'm going to leave the y plus 1 in the numerator, put a parentheses around it, e to the square root of y, and that's going to all be over 2 times, and this is going to be the square root of y, and I think that's as far as I'm going to go on that. We could get this all in one single fraction, but we're not going to. Okay, so good enough.